How to order items on Etsy. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Etsy and make sure you are logged into your specific account. In this page, you will be able to see different items. Well, in the source bar, you can also search for the specific item that you want to purchase. Let me search for guitar pick holder. Tons of different items will be visible to you. Select one of the items that you prefer. Let's say I want to buy this one. Click on it. Here, various pictures will also be available to you. Once you are satisfied with the product, scroll down. And here, select the type of pick that you want. Let me choose the olive. And then select the package option. Let me select box and one pick. Tap on it. Once you are done, at the last you need to add personalization. Tap on it. Once you are done with it, simply tap on buy it now. After that, you need to enter your specific shipping address. Once it has been added, you need to select the payment method and then enter all of the detailed information of your card and just tap on submit order, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can order items on Etsy. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.